is September 10th, so I'm getting ready to do my second lunar haircut to help with strengthening my hair. My hair has a tendency to be brittle and it breaks easy, so hopefully we can help that along with following the lunar hair chart. What we're going to do is we're going to just part the hair, gonna get that good. You know, the nice thing I like about this lunar haircut and cutting it the Morocco way is the fact that you don't take a lot off the ends. So I'm not too worried about this haircut because you're just doing very, very little. And it's really more about doing your haircut on the certain days and following that lunar cycle that's best for what you're wanting for your hair. I'm just gonna part it into sections. I'm gonna start my first part here. And then what I wanna do is just brush or comb all of it down to the very ends. Cut just a very tiny bit off. And that's it. And you don't want to worry about the flyaways at this point. You don't want to go back and nitpick any of that. So just going straight across towards the very end and taking care of that. Voila. This is my last section over here. I just want to make sure all my hair is pulled down. And just this. So we're done with this side. Alright, this is my last section. And that takes care of both sides of my hair. So we want to blend it from left to right. So this is where I didn't do so good last time, but let's try this. So we go make a nice line going down. And all the rest goes back. And we'll come over here and do the same thing. I'm not supposed to worry about flyaways, but I can't help but want to. I'm just going to cut that off. And then we take this side. You can see I have like little baby's hair growing right here, which is a good sign. There we go. Alright guys, well, I accomplished another session of lunar hair cutting.